are you staring at?
It's not even that he needs to try harder, he just needs to give himself a chance.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see you very, very soon, you guys. See you later.
Poor Klaus.
Yeah. Because it's too
Poor
weak.
Klaus.
That's such
Klaus,
a short space.
you're on the couch.
You say that, when I came in, I was talking to Zach.
Fucking
Zach
guy.
said, do you realise you can move these people 2 weeks? He said, if you condense that down in time, that's going to be one of the longest relationships you've had.
Never been loved before, eh? Ah, I just mistreated you.
Well, I would
Whoever
say
had you
extremely
before.
bad.